Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another